very reputable accounting firm is skittish. We can't hide a $40 billion loss in one quarter. And if this gets out, our stock will be worthless by close of bell Thursday.
None of that is going to happen. Here is going to help us avoid all that. Now, thank you for coming.
Everything all right?
You have the updates from the sleep clinic.
Yeah, we got another 4 digits last night, so the sequence is now 97 numbers long.
How predictive is it?
40% one day, 70% the next. We won't really be able to apply it until it's completed.
And when will that be?
When it wraps back around to the beginning, to 318, then we'll know it's completed. It should be soon.
You need to work faster.
Your auditor shopping, huh? How bad is it?
My friend was here yesterday. He went missing. Do you remember seeing him?